Now this is a base system question. Here base is 7. Just see some fundamentals here. First of all, whenever you do calculation in base system, just remember this. In this case, for example, base is 7, right? So 6 plus 1 becomes 7, but which have to be converted in base 7, that which becomes 1 0. 6 plus 2 becomes 8, but has to be converted into base 7, which becomes 1 1. Similarly, if I have to subtract 2 3 minus 6 in base 7, so I have to borrow 1 from this, but this 1 is equivalent to 7 because base is 7. So I have borrowed 1 from 2, which means 7, and 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4, and this 2 becomes 1. So these are the basic fundamentals. Now let's come to the question. We can write this question as 133 into P is equal to 65324 plus 50231 minus 130462. Now let's calculate this portion first of all. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Similarly 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 5 becomes 11. But 11 has to be converted into base 7. So this becomes 1 4. And minus 130462 is there. Now let's see this. I have to subtract 130462 from this. What I will get? 5 minus 2 is 3. Out of 5 I cannot remove 6, so I have to borrow 1 from this, which means 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Now this becomes 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 133 into P is nothing but 15063. Now let's see how to solve this one now. What I know is 133 into a number. When you multiply this number by this, you will get some numbers. You put a cross here, again you will get some numbers. You'll put a cross, 2 crosses here, again you will get some numbers. And eventually you should get 15063. Now because this is 3, this number has to be 3. And you will get this number when you multiply this 3 by this one. So this has to be 1. Right? So now I have to multiply 1 by 133. You will get 1 into 1 is 3, 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 1 is 1. So this is 133. Again, this 3 and this is 6. So this has to be 3 again. With the same logic, you can say this is also 1. So this is 3 and this is 1 again. Now this 3 plus 1 is 4, but this is 0. So for my case, 0 is nothing but 7, because 7 can be written as 1 0. So eventually this 1 plus this 3 plus this number should give you 7. So this has to be 3 again. So 3 plus 1 is 7, which becomes 1 0. And again this is again 3, so this has to be 1 again. So this will come out to be 3 and 1 only. So my answer is 111. This is the logical approach. What you can do that at this step, when you get 133 into P is equal to this, you can use the options also. So whatever option will satisfy this condition is your answer, right?